All right, hey everybody, it's Joe from NC Piedmont Outdoors. I am at Lake Hartwell State Park. We are in cabin 2, right here on the edge of the lake. We've got a tarp up over here just to block out some of the sun because the sun sets right over there. It's my buddy Mark. You remember him from the Flex Stack Pack video. So he brought those again. We're going to do a review a little bit later on after a year's worth of having it, some things he likes and doesn't like. But for right now, tonight we are making venison tacos. So I've got my venison right here in this 1 pound container. I've got Mark over here is cutting up a tiny red, orange, and yellow pepper. We're going to cut up some onion. I'm going to cook that on the Coleman stove, my cast iron skillet there. So let's go ahead. We're going to prep all this stuff and then get that in the pan and start cooking. And at the end of this meal, we're going to show you a beautiful venison taco spread. So stay tuned, everybody. All right, everybody, so first right now, I've got the cast iron skillet nice and hot, and I'm gonna cook some, this mixture of red, yellow, and some peppers and some onion here. I'm gonna let this saute a little bit and get this going, and then once that's cooked through a little bit, then I'm gonna go ahead and add in the venison here into the pan and kind of mix it all together for our tacos. So once I start to do that and start cooking the venison, then I'll bring you back and kind of show you what that's going to look like. But right now, that's kind of where we are. Mark's over there having a little bit of snack, salsa and chips, I see. So, this won't take long to cook. Just a nice, good, quick meal out in the woods. So let me go ahead and just get to this, and then we'll bring you back when we're adding in the venison. Just added the venison into my cast iron skillet here. You can see I mixed up the yellow, red pepper, and onion with the venison. It won't take very long for this venison to cook up here, and then we're gonna go ahead and add the taco seasoning for our tacos tonight. This venison I got from a deer I harvested last year, and I take it to the processor, and I know they mix a little bit of beef fat in it because venison is so lean. So I think the processor we go to now, you know, you can say like more fat, medium fat, regular, normal, or less fat, so you definitely have some options. But for right now, this I think just has the normal amount of beef fat, so shouldn't be too greasy, which is what we don't like. We don't want too much grease, but this is going to be a really great taco dinner for me and Mark. So let me go ahead and bring you back when I'm ready to add the taco seasoning and mix that in. So, all right, everybody, so the taco mix here in the skillet is ready to go, so it's time to add our original taco seasoning mix from Great Value. Thank you, Walmart. I'm just going to go ahead and sprinkle this around like this, all over this, like that. Oop, a little more came out there, that's okay. Make sure we get it all, and then I've got my half cup water. Pour this in. Alright, add that, great, okay, and then we're going to go ahead and mix this up. We'll get this all goodness mixed together. Alright, let that venison take in that taco flavor, the peppers and onions, and this is going to be a great meal for dinner tonight. First night at camp, first dinner, some venison tacos. So let me go ahead and mix this together. We'll let this simmer, and then when it's ready to come off the stove, we'll bring it over to the table and we're going to eat. This is done. I think it looks and smells great. We're going to bring it over to the table and start making some tacos. All right, everybody, so I've got the cast iron nice and hot here with our chili mix here. We're going to have some flour tortillas here. Open these up. Let Mark grab one out for himself. We've got some salsa, we've got some pico de gallo, we got some gourmet queso from Mateo. Thank you, Mateo. Gourmet. So we're each gonna have a soft taco here. I'm gonna put some cheese on mine first. Just kind of sprinkle that on. Oh yeah. Mark's gonna have some cheese. I'm gonna take some of this. put this right here. All right, that's perfect. I'm gonna go ahead and add a little queso. Mark actually used kind of like some boiling water and warmed this queso up for us, so
it's really good.
It's really nice. So I'm gonna add a little bit here. All right, now this is probably what, the second time you've had venison, Mark?
Yes.
Second time he's had venison. So first time he had venison burgers.
Bambi burgers.
Bambi burgers. So now it's having Bambi tacos.
Bambi tacos.
So, all right, let me give it a bite.
The chef always has to go first.
Yeah, that's really good. I like the pepper and onion mix in there with that queso. It doesn't overpower. I still know it's venison, but the taco seasoning didn't overpower it either.
No, it tastes good. I like it.
So, yeah, it's really good. All right, well, we're sitting here at the edge of our cabin with our lake view that you can probably see behind Mark a little bit and over to the right. But yeah, we're gonna finish up this meal. So really happy this came out. Really glad Mark liked it and we didn't have to cook something else. So we're gonna go ahead and finish up here and then just kind of chill out by the fire a little bit later. So thanks everybody for watching. If you like what you see, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe. And we'll be making a bunch of videos while we're here at Lake Hartwell State Park. So stay tuned, everybody. Thanks. Thanks for watching NC Piedmont Outdoors, camping, fishing, and hunting adventures.